Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be super interesting because even I don't know what we'll be checking out today. Now that's because we've got a new mystery box on my desk. This mystery box was sent to me by this company called AMX. They haven't told me what they actually sent me, so it's like a surprise for both you guys as well as me. I'm all excited to unbox and check it out, so let's get started with the video. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I want to thank AMX for sending me this mystery box. Okay, so let's open it and check out what do we have inside. Oh, it's not one product. Looks like we've got a lot of boxes here. Let me just take them out. Okay, so they sent us a total of 4 different products. That's it, there's nothing else in the package. So these were all the items we got in today's mystery box. Now let's check them out one by one. First, let's start with this product. This is the company's brand new 1X Nano earphones. They're a super budget wired earphones. Along with that, they also sent us their Infinity X cable. They make a variety of USB cables. The one they sent us is a USB 3.1 Type-C to Type-C. Going next on the list, we have an adaptive wireless charger. It's a fast wireless charger and works with both Android and iPhones. And finally, coming to the last box, it's a dual USB car charger. So these are all the products they sent us today. I'll unbox and show them to you one by one. So first, let's check out the earphones. This is their new 1X Nano earphones. The special thing about them is they're super small in size, hence the name Nano. Let's see what's written on the box. So at the back side, we've got the price details. The price on the box says $13.99, but they cost only around $5.99 rupees. Alright, let me unbox and show them to you. Let me remove this out of packing. There we go. So the outer cover slides out like this, and inside we've got a simple looking cardboard box. Let me unbox it. Okay, so there's only a carry case inside, nothing else. All the items must be in this case. The quality looks pretty good. You've got the AMX branding on it. Let's open it and check out the product. So the earphones come nicely packed in a car. Let me take this packaging. So here they are, AMX 1X Nano earphones. Oh my god, they're so small. Just look at them. They look like small capsules. I've never seen this tiny earphones, guys. Let me just put them on and tell you about the comfort and the audio quality. The 1X Nano from AMX are so tiny that you won't even feel like you're using some earphones. They're super lightweight and comfortable for long time usage. The noise isolation is also nice. Talking about the audio quality was pretty good, especially considering the price. The mids were crisp and clear. I could easily understand all the dialogues, and the treble quality was also nice. But the bass was only a bit less on these earphones. Now that was expected because of its tiny body. You can't expect punchy bass from such small structures. But on the overall, I was pretty satisfied with the audio quality for the price. The distortion was also very minimum at high volumes, and the best part is they also come with a built-in mic and an inline remote control. So that was our quick look at the 1X Nano earphones. Now let's check out the company's new wireless charger. The model is called BeamX. It's an adaptive wireless charger and comes in this sort of box packing. You've got a picture of the product on the front and it's a Qi certified product. This wireless charger is compatible with a variety of phones like iPhone 8, XS, XR and also Android phones like S9, Note 9 and much more. Coming to the price details, the price on the box says $2,499 but it costs only around $17.99 rupees. Okay, so let's check out all of its features. This wireless charging pad supports bidirectional charging, has an LED indicator, dual coil charging, has overheat protection, supports 10 watt fast charging and is also case friendly. So these were some of its highlights. Now let me unbox and show you the product. So here it is, guys. The charging pad comes packed like this in this simple bubble wrap, and this is how it looks like. It's got a kickstand like design and the build quality looks pretty good from my first impressions. Along with this charging pad, you also get a free micro USB cable. Now let me give you a closer look at the charging stand. So the BeamX is an adaptive wireless charger that also supports fast charging. You've got the AMX branding on the front, the body is entirely made of plastic and has a nice matte finishing. You've got some rubber foot pads at the bottom, a charging status LED indicator on the front, and a micro USB port at the back side. You need to connect it to your phone's power adapter to use it. Okay guys, I'll just do that and be right back to continue the video. Alright, so I've connected the wireless charger to my QC 3.0 adapter. You can connect it to any regular 5V 2A power adapter also. Now let me put my phone on it and show you. So there you go, as soon as you place it there, the phone starts charging. You can see the phone says fast charging wirelessly. The status LED indicator on the front is also subtle and doesn't disturb our view. The wireless charger was working well. It supports bidirectional charging, so you can put your phone both in portrait mode as well as landscape. And the best part is you can even use this charging pad as a kickstand while watching movies or any other videos on YouTube. So while you're enjoying watching movies, your phone is getting charged at the same time. Like, how cool is that? So that was about the Beam X wireless charger. It costs around 1799 rupees. Going next on the list, we have the Infinity X cable from AMX. This is a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C to Type-C cable. It is very useful for charging Type-C devices and supports super fast data transfers with a speeds up to 10 Gbps, which is almost 20 times faster than your regular USB 2.0. It comes in this sort of packaging and costs around 900 rupees. One more nice feature about this cable is it also has USB power delivery support. So those are all of its highlights. Let me unbox it and show you the cable. Here we go. So the cable comes packed like this in a car and also has a user manual in the box. Just make sure to read that. Now let's check out the product. So here it is, the Infinity X USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Wow, the quality looks really good. It is super tough and looks quite thick. This cable is constructed with a 22 AWG tin copper wire, has triple layer protection and allows a maximum current of 3 amps. Talking about the length, it's got a standard cable length of 3.3 feet. You've got the AMX branding here and says super speed 10 Gbps on the other side. Now let me put this cable to a test and show you. This USB cable can be pretty useful for people with Type-C enabled devices. Like if you've got a power bank with Type-C PD port, then you can use this cable with it to easily charge your Type-C phones. It makes it a perfect pair for your PD enabled device. So as you can see, it shows fast charging on my phone. Now let me show you the final product. This is a dual USB car charger. The model is called AMX P1. You can see a picture of the product on the box and has some details over here. It works on 12 to 24 volt DC input and has 2 USB outs which can give a max output of 5 volt 2.4 amps each. Talking about the price on the box is 699, but it costs around 600 rupees online. Now let me unbox it and show you. So here it is, comes nicely packed like this. So this is how the company's new car charger looks like. The model is P1 Atom. It's one of the smallest dual-port car charger in the world. The body is entirely made of metal and has a decent jet black design. You've got the AMX branding on it, and here are its 2 USB outs. Each port can give a max output of 5 volt 2.4 amps, so that means it's a 24 watt 4.8 amp car charger. Now let me show you how to install and use it. So suppose you've got a simple car which doesn't have any USB charging sockets, then these car chargers can be very useful for you. You just need to remove that default cigarette lighter in your car and insert this charger in its place, just like this. And that's it guys, it's all ready to be used. There's also a blue LED indicator on it which shows that the device has been plugged in. Now let me just plug my phone in this charger and show you. There you go, it's working perfectly fine. So like this, you can charge up to 2 devices at a time in your car while traveling. Awesome, right? So that was our mystery box video for today. We got to check out some really nice and useful gadgets. Out of all those, I really like these 2 items, the 1X Nano earphones and the dual USB car charger. They're quite affordable and very useful gadgets. The fast wireless charger is also pretty good and reasonably priced. I'll leave links to all these products in the description box below. You can check them out there. So that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.